Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here. So today's video is gonna be simple, quick, and right to where we have to get. So this was my most requested video, so I am going to be showing you guys today how I do my eyebrows. They are already done because I already did the video, so this is how they end up. So if you guys like how they look now, keep on watching so you guys can see the process on how I accomplish my looks. And remember to subscribe, remember to hit that little bell so you can get notified when I upload. I do apologize in advance because I do look a little crappy right now, but just in case you guys don't know or you guys don't live in LA, it is very hot here, so this is what I'm stuck on with. And makeup on this weather is definitely not my favorite, so I am stuck with this face. So anyways, let's just keep on going. Let's hop right onto the video. First things first, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy, but I go ahead and prime my face before I do my eyebrows. Yes, I apply the primer on my eyes as well, just so I can kind of firm and set my eyebrows in position, I guess. Ignore the baby hairs, they're just gonna be there. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. By the way, you guys, if you guys have any like extra hairs, go ahead and pluck them out. We're gonna go ahead and take our Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush. We're gonna dip. Now I like more of a natural eyebrow. I don't like those really dark perfect eyebrows. I like it to look more of a natural full brow, but that it still looks mine. So we're just gonna go ahead and accomplish that look. I go ahead and I just start outlining it just a little on this part of my brow, and I continue all the way to the end. Then we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the top. Okay, if you messed up, don't worry about it. We'll conceal that later. Just go ahead and finish and fill in the rest of your eyebrow. With the spoolie side of your brush, you're gonna go ahead and blend it all out. Once you have that, you're gonna go ahead and take any concealer brush or any type of brush you like to use to carve out your eyebrow, and you're gonna go ahead and use concealer. I use the Infallible Pro Glow by L'Oreal. I go ahead and apply the concealer on straight into my eyebrow like this, and I do the same thing to the top. Try not to do it so very close to your eyebrow because you will mess it up a little. And once you have that, you go ahead and take your brush and start spreading it out and then carve it out. To the top, you're going to do the same thing. Start carving it out. After you've done that, go ahead and grab a beauty blender. I go ahead and grab this little tiny beauty blender, and then you just start dabbing so you could pull out all the extra concealer you've got going on in your eye. You do the same to the top. And there you guys go. That's how I do my eyebrows. It's not very perfect, it's not very good, but we're getting there. Okay, you guys, now here's a slight problem that I have with my eyebrow. This eyebrow is a little bit more arched than this one over here. As you guys can see, this one's more of a round shape, and this one's like arched or whatnot. So I go ahead, and the same way I add the concealer on the other eyebrow, I do it on this one. The only thing is that on this eyebrow, I go ahead and correct it just like this. So to take away the archness, I go ahead and cover it with concealer, and then I just carve it out. I go ahead and correct it just like I did with the other one. Spread out the concealer. Remember, our eyebrows are not supposed to look exactly the same because they are just sisters. They are not clones or anything like that, okay? So if one eyebrow comes out better than the other one, girl, that happens to all of us. Go ahead, grab your beauty blender and do the same thing we did with the other one. Okay, you guys, and there we have it. We have our eyebrows done. Keep in mind, I am not like a pro, so this is what I do. This is my process. If it helps you, good. If it doesn't, let me know what could I do better in. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe, remember to thumb up the video if you liked it, and remember to leave some comments below, whether they're constructive criticism or whether you think I did okay or whether I did good. You guys should let me know. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys next time.